Hello, this is Lori Salome. Today I'm going to share with you a peek inside of my 5th grade classroom at Hill Elementary School. This video is going to focus on the priority practice of tailoring instruction to meet kids' needs. Whether they're struggling to keep up or they're way ahead of the curve, we are going to give you an interactive way to host all of that content and activity and option for all kids in one really easy to organize place through a web-based platform called Thinglink. Thinglink is free of charge. It allows you to make and upload a background image, and then inside of that image you will see that little hotspots can be added. These hotspots will link kids to either a downloadable PDF, practice sheet, just old school, or to interactive content out on the web like Nearpod or Quizlet, quizzes, etc., etc. You can also add video, and you can color code these dots so kids kind of have an idea of what it is that they're looking at. So you can see in this image I have logic and kin section, division section, models and operation, and problem solving. The red dots are for challenge problems, so kids that are above level know that that would be a good place for them to start. The green dots are for kids who are struggling and need some remediation or something that definitely isn't going to be overwhelming, and the blue dots are somewhere in the middle. Black dots are for star practice, not very fun but necessary. And then if there's some kind of content that has video or something that I want to explain to them about that day's activity, I would use this little image for my hotspot of a person, letting them know that that's me giving them some information. So for example, logic and kin puzzles are both super fun to work, but kids often forget how to work them. And so I have created a little video tutorial for the kids that they can go in and refresh themselves.
All right, if you've never worked a logic problem before, watch out because these things are really addicting.
And you get the idea. So I love Thinglink because it's a way to get everybody working at the same place even though they're not working at the same level. And it's also a really cool way to let kids push themselves outside of their comfort zone, or kids that are perfectionists and are above level sometimes need the option of giving themselves a break. And so it's just a really nice way to organize information. And Thinglink can be used in a million different ways, but this is just one example of using it for differentiation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to toggle over to Thinglink to show you how easy it is to actually create one of these. I went into a web-based platform called Canva, and I just used one of their templates to very speedily create a background image for this example. So I'm uploading that that image file, and now I've got a little background image that says warm up, activity options, and challenge section. I can go in to add a tag. I can decide if it's going to be a video, if it's going to be text and image, if it's going to be an embed code or a link to somewhere else. So I'm going to go ahead and just say I am going to add an icon, and I'm going to give it a title, warm up number 1, and maybe a description of that so kids have more information about what it is that they're going to see, and then I would add the link to that site there. I can even add a picture to make my Thinglink look a little bit snazzier. I'm just grabbing a random photo here, and voila. So once I am done, you'll see my tag floating around here. I can move it around, I can edit it, I can change the color, I can do whatever I would like to do. The world is my oyster with the Thinglink. And so I save and close, and now I've got this interactive image. To put it into my blend course, I would come up to the share button and get an embed code and simply copy that into my HTML editor in my blend course. I do have a Thinglink that has a bunch of examples of ways that you can use Thinglink. So it's a Thinglink about a Thinglink. It's very Inception. So you can have kids upload their own images and add hotspots describing like the plot of a novel or story. You can upload panoramic images and have kids make an interactive map about a scene from history or from their novel. You can upload an interactive image of your own classroom for station rotations. You can use make your subplans using Thinglink by uploading a background image and then simply numbering all of the different activities that you want the kids to go through with links and examples of what you would like them to tackle. You can make a portfolio in Thinglink. You could make interactive maps for history projects. You can organize big projects like research and science projects. You can do interactive resources for in-class like the one that I showed you. And that is it. If you haven't ever tinkered around on Thinglink, I highly recommend it. It's free, it's really visually appealing, it's really easy to edit, and best of all, it's super easy to put it into your Blend course. So you don't even have to send kids elsewhere to get information about what it is they're trying to tackle for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.